Hi, this is DP, and this is for the character theme songs. I guess we have, I guess this is a mutual favorite song. We both like this song, but I was thinking you could do character traits like in the comments below down this video. My character will have a personality. I was thinking that she was a tall, peaceful teenager that doesn't speak a lot. And if you can agree with this, but also character theme song down the comments below, where you just for the character theme song, I will draw a picture of my character, and I will draw a picture of my character and play the song. You have to tell me the name of the song and who sings it, okay? Bye! Bonus, Jimmy's character traits and theme song. He kind of looks like a Baldi's Basics character. Lol. Plus, why was he so angry in the Shooting Stars meme feat Jimmy?